This is a stud for your exhaust manifold. A lot of times when you're working on cars or maybe you're building up your engine again, you have to install these. This is an old one. It doesn't really look that terrible. Might just clean out these rusted threads that were on the outside and reinstall it. It fell out while we were replacing a gasket. So we're going to walk through how you can reinstall this properly. The main thing is that these do not have to be super tight. You can use the technique we'll show you to tighten them in. However, as tight as you can get it by hand will normally suffice. What we want to do is we want to screw this into the engine block, and we'll show you where. But before we do that, it's important to use some sort of anti-seize lubricant. Some sort of high temperature, probably a copper anti-seize. Just coat the threads that are going to be going into the engine block with a little bit of that. So that's what we're going to do first. So now that we got it coated, let's go ahead and screw it in. One of the best techniques for doing this is called the double nut technique. What you do is you install 2 nuts onto your stud like this. And this way you can torque on the bottom one and it'll get stuck on the top one and allow you to spin the whole stud with the bottom nut. Alright, so just as tight as you can get it by hand. You can put a wrench on there and just tug it a little bit more. However, once you do that, you are done. That is how you install exhaust manifold studs.